Good morning, dear students. First of all, welcome you all after this 1 week vacation. I hope you all have enjoyed your Diwali vacation. Children, now it is the time to come back to your study hours. Yes, we have already done a lot with the vacation and the holidays, and now it is the time to turn towards your school bag. So I welcome you all in the class of EVS. Today we are going to start a new chapter number 11, Sunita in Space. Children, we have already completed till chapter number 10. If you still have any difficulty in that chapter, you can ask question through WhatsApp, through group, and if you want to ask it anything, you can directly put the question to me. So, let us start our today's chapter 11, Sunita in Space. Children, do you know what we are going to learn today? We are going to have only introduction part. Yes. You know what? I don't want you to burden with the topic so soon. So today I am starting with the topic's introduction only so that you will be prepared for the next class at least. I know after the vacation you doesn't have the interest or focus in whatever we are teaching. But at least this introduction is going to help you to get your concentration back or your focus is back on studies. So, let us start a new chapter, Sunita in Space. Children, here I am going to show you a revision video, a introduction video for the chapter which will tell you or describe you about the chapter clearly that what we are going to learn in this chapter. So, are you all ready? Let us see the video.
Introduction. Raju and Ravi were cousins. They met every year during summer vacation. There, at night, they slept under the open sky. They used to gaze at the night sky and looked at different patterns formed by the stars. Their uncle, Mr. Subramanian, was a professor who told them galaxy and space. In this lesson, you will learn about Earth and its natural satellite, gravitational pull, and space. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify how our Earth looks from space, discuss about life in space, explain about the gravitational pull, discuss about the night sky, how our Earth is really like. Earth, our home, is the third planet from the Sun. It is the only planet where life exists because of the presence of air and water. The Earth is not perfectly spherical, but it is very close to that of the shape of a sphere. It looks like a globe. Globe and map. A globe is a model of the Earth. A globe is more accurate than a flat map because it mimics the true shape of the Earth and is able to accurately portray continent shapes and distance between land masses. All the lines on the maps and globe are the imaginary lines drawn by the human. The horizontal lines are known as latitudes, while the vertical lines are known as longitudes. Natural satellite. The Earth has only one natural satellite, the Moon. It appears big because the distance of the Moon from the Earth is less than the between the Earth and the Sun. The Moon appears as the brightest object in the sky after the Sun, but it does not have its own light. It reflects the light of the Sun. There is no life on the Moon. Its gravity is almost 1/6 of the Earth's gravity. The objects feel lighter on the moon's surface due to less gravity. Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin, and Michael Collins were the first astronauts to land successfully on the moon. Gravity. Due to the gravitational force of the Earth, we don't fall off. This is only the reason why things stay in their own places. This is something that space lacks. Therefore, everything keeps floating in space. Life in space. The area outside the Earth is the space. In space, there are various celestial objects like planets, meteors, stars, and more. Space is a quiet place. There are many astronauts who have been to space. An astronaut is one who is properly trained to travel to space by spacecraft. Things float in space as there is no gravity. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Earth is the only planet where life exists. The Earth's natural satellite is the Moon. There is no gravity on the Moon. The area outside the Earth is the space.
So, I hope you understood about the basic introduction of the chapter and the contents what we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, so children, let us move forward. Today you have an assignment that you will have to read this chapter, page number 99 and 100, and try to underline the important points. Then in the next video, I will start with the notebook content. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you all of you. Take care of yourself, stay safe, stay home, enjoy online schooling.